Have you heard about Shilajit? It's a natural substance that can help you detoxify your body like never before. Shilajit is formed by the compression of organic materials between layers of rock over centuries, and it's rich in minerals, fulvic and humic acids, and other organic compounds that are beneficial for your body. So, how does Shilajit work to detoxify your body? Well, it helps to remove heavy metals and other toxins that may have accumulated in your body over time. It binds to the toxins and flushes them out of your body through your urine and sweat. Amazing, right? But that's not all. Shilajit also helps to boost your immune system, which can help your body to better fight off infections and other harmful substances. Plus, it can help to reduce inflammation in your body, which is a common cause of many chronic health conditions. And here is the best part: Shilajit can also help to improve your body's ability to absorb and utilize nutrients from food. This means that your body can get all of the vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that it needs to function properly. Overall, Shilajit is a powerful natural substance that can help you achieve better health and wellness. So why not give it a try and see the benefits for yourself?